Hello students, in this video we are going to read the lesson The Yellow Butterfly of Standard 3 English Unit 5. Okay, the first part of this lesson was the poem The Balloon Man, and the second part is this, The Yellow Butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Okay, so this story is about Sonu, who has a beautiful garden. And what do we find in gardens? Yes, there are lots of plants. Some are flowers, and he saw a butterfly over there. Okay, now why did butterfly come into his garden? Yes, because butterflies are attracted to flowers. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. Now, if you will make noise, what will happen? The butterfly will fly away. So, what did Sonu do? Sonu went there slowly and silently, because if he made any noise, he was not going to be able to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer. But then, off flew the butterfly. Off flew the butterfly means the butterfly flew away. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. Now he was so slow when he went to catch the butterfly. Yet what happened? The butterfly flew away, and now he was questioning, where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. A pond is a small place where there is water. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. So here the place pond is described, and what was in the pond? Yes, a white lotus. And what grew around? Leaves. You know what kind of leaves do lotus have? Yes, they have round and flat leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water, and off flew the butterfly. So, second time when Sonu tried to catch the butterfly, what happened? Again he was defeated by the butterfly. But because what happened? Off flew the butterfly. The butterfly flew away, and Sonu was again failed to catch the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. So he was looking for what? For the butterfly. He looked up and he looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flowers. Didn't I tell you that butterflies are attracted to flowers? So when the butterfly saw a beautiful pink flower, it went and sat on it. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. Sonu had decided to catch the butterfly, and now he said loudly, I can catch you. He climbed up the tree. So this was a very dangerous act that he was doing. Up he climbed. But what happened now? Back it flew down from the tree. Again he failed to catch the butterfly. So many times Sonu has been trying to catch the butterfly, but what is happening? It seems that the butterfly is way too faster and smarter than Sonu, and it is running away from him. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly, but yet Sonu was not going to lose. He was determined to go and catch the butterfly. From the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. So many places he has visited. See, first he went to the rose, then he went to the lotus, then he went to the peach tree. But what happened? Was he able to catch the butterfly? Oh no, he was surely not able, because the butterfly seems a fast insect. It flies away before even he comes closer to it. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. Where did the butterfly go? Did it run away? At last, he saw the butterfly. Okay, so he has found it. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. Oh my God. Now, it was a very dangerous situation. The butterfly was caught in a spider's web. And do you know what do spiders do? They eat those insects which are trapped in the web. So what is going to happen? Was the spider going to eat the butterfly? Or was Sonu going to catch the butterfly? In any situation, the butterfly was in danger. It looked sad as it tried to escape. Escape means to get away from that situation. It fluttered its wing. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. Now, the spider's web is very sticky. The more he will try to get away from the web, the more it will get caught into it. It will not be able to escape from it. So that same thing was going to happen over here. The spider's web held it tight. Okay, so it was not possible for the butterfly to release itself from that web. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. So again, the butterfly was in danger. The spider was coming closer. And who was watching all this? Sonu was watching all this. Was he going to save the butterfly? Or was the butterfly going to die? Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. So, he caught the butterfly. Now what happened? Was the butterfly going to be saved? Or it was going to die by the hands of Sonu? It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand. So even if Sonu had saved it, yet the butterfly was sad because it was caught. If you catch something and keep, if somebody holds you tight and does not leave you, and otherwise somebody locks you in a cage, will you be happy? No, of course not. Same situation was with this butterfly. Even though Sonu had saved it from the spider, yet the butterfly was not happy. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Now, though Sonu enjoyed looking at the butterfly, yet he wanted the butterfly to be happy. Even though if the butterfly was in his hand, he wanted it to be happy. Go, said Sonu. Fly away. So he released the butterfly because he did not want the butterfly to be sad. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree.